Now, I want you to keep your eyes on Julie right now because Julie has brought out a gumball. I want you to keep your eyes on that gumball, Jenny and Mark, because you're going to have to track where that gumball goes, okay? The girls are going to pass it between them for the next 30 seconds, and I want you to keep your eyes on where that gumball goes. Are you ready? Let's go.
Can we go a little longer on this one, Fred?
Bambi and Bunny, the challenge part is over, okay?
They're all sugary.
Okay. Jenny, this is your challenge, so we're going to give you the first guess. Which gal, I want you to point at the gal who you think has the gumball in her mouth.
That lady. That Pontani sister.
And let's see, does she have it?
Oh, no! Oh, no! Do I owe you more money?
Yeah, you owe me another 100 for that.
Oh, that sucks. Shit.
Mark, we're going to give you a chance to guess. Who has the gumball in their mouth?
Oh, I gotta say, I don't know and I don't care.
Just, you need to point at someone. Point at someone for me, Mark.
That one.
That one.
That one.
That would be Bambi. Let's see if Bambi has it in her mouth. $100 for you, Mark.
Oh, that was
Jenny,
money.
it's your turn now.
That was money well spent.
Fuck's sake.
Who's got the gumball in her mouth, Jenny?
Which clowny clown is it? Let me see. God damn. I think it might be Julie. Fuck! Not more.
Mark, it's your guess now.
All right. Let's see. How about the lovely lady in pink?
Miss Bunny Love, does she have the gumball? Woo! All right.
Yeah, I wanted that. Okay, Mark, you have to give that back to him.